पत्रं पुष्पं फलं तोयं यो मे भक्त्या प्रयच्छति तदहं भक्त्युपहृतम् अश्नामि प्रयतात्मनः.
Krishna, ISKCON Whitefield is going to celebrate Janmashtami in a grand way on 7th September.
There will be a lot of exciting events and seva opportunities for our dear Lord Sri Krishna. By the way, have you heard about Cook4Krishna event?
It's Lord Sri Krishna's 5250th appearance day, and Cook4Krishna is a very engaging seva for all the devotees visitors to offer and awaken their love to Krishna.
On Janmashtami day, they need to bring one or more dishes that are cooked in their house and bring it as an offering to make 5250 delicious bhogas for our dear Lord Sri Krishna.
You can bring the Bhoga on Janmashtami day 7th September at the venue Inner Circle Playground opposite Akshar Yoga, Whitefield, anytime from morning 9 a.m. to night 9 p.m.
Oh, now I know all about Cook4Krishna event. I will ask my community members and friends also to participate in the Cook4Krishna event.
Let's be a humble instrument in bringing all closer to Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare